beautiful. Hold on, bro. Hold on. She's so fine. Hold on. She's so, why does she stick out her tongue like that, bro? The car. Wait. I need to learn how to wheelie, bro. Yo, she was pretty, I ain't gonna lie. I know that caught for me to do that punch up, bro. Ah! Bro, if I could wheelie, that'd be so much aura! That'd be so much aura, bro! Oh my god! I didn't know they were still right there. I'm gonna fly past her, I was not gonna lie. I'm gonna get that girl's number if she's of age. And I hope that's not her boyfriend in the back. Oh, I think they got off. That's tragic.